everyone! If you're using two monitors and want to switch which one acts as your main screen, like moving your taskbar or default apps to the bigger display, this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your primary monitor in Windows. First, go to Start. Then, open Settings. Next, click on System. And then go to the Display tab. Here, you'll see the layout of your monitors. Now, click on the display you want to make your primary monitor. Then, check the box that says, "Make this my main display." Once you select that option, your chosen monitor will now become your main display, meaning apps, the taskbar, and your desktop will default to that screen. And that's it! Super simple! If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.